You would not believe how easy and straightforward it is to generate money using this affiliate marketing method for beginners. Imagine potentially earning $400 per hour, and what's exciting is, I'm going to show you a brand new website that will do all the legwork for you. So you can just copy and paste and make money, even if you have zero experience. So here's the deal. I'm going to show you a game-changing bonus method that might be able to earn you massive extra income. So keep an eye on this video. Hello, I am your cash flow girl. Welcome to my channel where I teach you easy ways to get your cash flowing. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and click on the notification bell to keep you updated on our new uploads. Let's get this money making started. The first step is to identify an affiliate offer to promote. This may be done from any affiliate market such as ClickBank, Digistore24, or other platforms. For this example, I'll use PartnerStack since they have a marketplace with thousands of different software firms. I like to advertise software firms since they are digital items, which means there is no inventory limit and thus no ceiling to your earnings potential. People choose monthly plans with software in order to earn monthly commissions, which makes their money recurring and passive. Now, as you can see on the left side, we have a variety of options. However, I'm promoting Sendinblue because it pays out $5 for each free trial. Sendinblue is a program that allows users to manage email marketing campaigns for their business. Even if they take the free trial, you will still be paid $5. You'll make another $100 if someone purchases something from Sendinblue as a result of your campaign. We are interested in getting people to sign up for things on our websites for free, which is considerably simpler than getting them to purchase anything. The next stage is to immediately apply for the program, and you'll be prompted to pick which traffic source you'll be utilizing. I'm going to show you two fantastic resources to use as a beginner. Let's start with Sendinblue's first traffic source, which pays you $5 for each new account, and that is Google Ads. We're usually against sponsored advertising, but when you have a tool like this that can be quite lucrative, it's worth it. To begin, create an account with googleads.com by going to googleads.com and clicking on Start Now. Then click on New Campaign right here to start a new campaign. After that, choose Display from the drop-down menu next to Website Traffic. Going over here, I'll select the display. You may enter your affiliate link in this box. After that, you may enter your typical daily budget, which might be $5 or $50. Then we'll choose conversions, since the targeted CPA is 0.20. Now you'll begin customizing your ad, which will appear on the right-hand side. So you may preview the ad that you're going to post and see how it looks, because this will influence whether or not people will notice it and click on it. So you want to make sure that you have the appropriate ad creative, and that's where adcreative.ai comes in handy, which I've linked in the description box below. This is an AI technology that allows you to create ad creatives with a single click of a button. All that is left to do now is sit back and watch as your new cutting-edge website crushes it. It's fun to see what they come up with next. With creative and banners created by highly trained artificial intelligence, you may give your business an unfair advantage. So, in other words, they'll make those high converting banners for you and provide creatives for you, and the best part is that you can connect this with Google, Facebook, and other platforms as well. Now, let's take a look how to use Ad Creative. You can link your accounts in a variety of different ways. To connect your Google Ads account to your Facebook Ads account, simply click Connect Accounts and follow the instructions. However, this is entirely optional. The third step is to upload your logo so that it may be incorporated into the designs. If you want to use a particular ad account, proceed to step number 3. You'll also need some text for them to include on the ad creatives, and you'll have the option of choosing or uploading a background and adding a product photo. That's basically it. You just hit one button and they'll send you the ad creatives so you can utilize them in your advertising to improve conversion rates and increase signups, resulting in greater money today. If you don't think this first traffic source is worth it, I have another suggestion for you. But before that, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any ideas you want, comment them down on the comment section below. Now, let's look at Propellerads.com. a network where you may utilize push notification advertising, which are considerably cheaper. If you know how to use them correctly, push notifications convert quite well. They are also 100 times cheaper than Google or Facebook advertisements. The reason is you can't really target a certain sort of individual with push notifications. But as long as you're not launching one of those super high-ticket items that is incredibly specialized, you're good to go. You could simply click over to Propellerads.com and sign up quickly, as you can see here. Once you've logged in, go to Create Campaign and select Push Notifications from the drop-down menu. You may start your campaign with Propellerads by filling in this box with the name of your campaign and selecting Push Notifications, both classic and in-page. You'll need to pick a CPA goal, which is basically the AI that will develop the CPA campaign for you. This is far superior than your targeted URL, which is your affiliate link. Make sure to include it here since it's how you'll make money. You may also target specific nations or go worldwide. This box allows you to set your daily campaign budget and overall campaign budget. There's also a variety of other settings that you may modify according to your interests. I personally think finance is best in this instance since we can attract mostly business people who will genuinely require an email marketing software and will sign up for it even if it's just for free, which will still make $5. Now I don't care what age or gender they are, so I won't customize that. Then, in the end, you just need to upload your creatives. All you have to do is upload an image here. You may utilize the creative that was generated on addcreative.ai and download it for use here. Once you've completed everything, you can just restart your campaign here to verify and certify that it meets the quality standards. Then click Start Campaign. I'll show you a way to make even more money with Ad Creative in a minute. You'll be able to use this tool to generate high-quality creatives for you. You may sell ad creative services by going to a freelancing platform like Fiverr or People Per Hour with only one click of a button. Ad creative is valuable because consumers understand that if they invest in an excellent idea, they will get a large return on. Ad creatives are vital and they're even worth $65 each. You can see that by selling ad creative on peopleperhour.com, this individual has earned over $200,000 in profit. Hundreds of thousands of dollars are being made every year by these individuals by selling ad creatives on peopleperhour.com, with the competition being relatively low. Take a look at this. One page, and yet there are not that many providers offering the same service. You can see that there is a tremendous demand for these services. Thousands of individuals are purchasing them. There are so many people searching for creative talents to advertise their business. Nevertheless, only 16 people sell on peopleperhour.com. So, if you do the math, you should board this train as soon as possible. You can simply use addcreative.ai to fulfill your orders whenever someone hires you for ad creative services. All you have to do is log in, describe your customer's needs, and then the program will create all of the various designs and banners for you. You simply download them and mail them to your consumer, and they'll be overjoyed since these are fantastic high-resolution designs. This is yet another method to make money using addcreative.ai, but the possibilities are truly endless, and let your creativity run wild. For my #1 recommendation on how to make money on YouTube, check out the link in the description box below. As always, it has been nice to be your guide for this video. If you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel, ring your notification bell, and get your cash flowing through me, your Cashflow girl. See you on the next one!